Welcome back, everyone, and today we have something that most of you should probably have if you're streaming on Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, Discord, works with Skype, Zoom too would be great as well. It is the Snowball by Blue, and this is the ice black version. I'm not sure what the difference is, or if it's just because it's black, which I don't care, but Blue is a company that makes a lot of high-end microphones. They had the bottle, the baby, etc. The Dragonfly, which was an awesome condenser microphone for overhead drums and for live room stuff. But the last couple of years they've been doing these. Actually, no, this has been out for a while for USB. I think they came out with this over 12 years ago. But now it's so popular that you can find it everywhere. I found this one at GameStop, obviously. I was there picking up some Pokemon stuff. So let's unbox it, check it out. But for all of you that are, streaming YouTube videos, etc., doing live stuff, you should have a good condenser mic. I purchased this for Twitch, obviously, because I was just using my Logitech webcam and I didn't bother putting in a microphone, because when you're using any of the studio microphones, they all need phantom power, XLR things, and I didn't really want to hook up a whole interface. So, figured out, let's just buy something that's cheap and it won't take up that much space, and from a reputable company. So, let's see, where is this little thing? Where is this guy? Oh yeah, no. That's one part of the packaging, and it is a ball, which is kind of cool. I like that. Don't roll away. Let's see what else is in this box. This got to be a USB cable and a stand and all that sort of. Come on. There we go. And nice of them to come with a USB cable. Is it by power? Nope, it's standard USB cable, so it's not like it's got its own fitting. A little flexi stand. Oh nope, it's solid. And Snowball iCE. Now it is $50 only. I didn't get any warranty plans or anything because I've had lots of Blue products, and I still do. I still have my Dragonflies, which at the time when I bought them back in the day, like I think 10 years ago, they were like $750 each or something like that. And I still have a pair. They're fantastic overhead drum mics. But if you're on a budget and you're either recording your streams or you just want to record like an amp or something, this would do very well. I would definitely put a pop filter in front of it, even for vocals or instruments. For my desk over here, I won't be putting in a pop filter, obviously. It's got a nice grill. It's actually really nice. Made in China, obviously. Yes, because it's got a regular microphone mount, so you can actually hook it up to a proper mic stand, which is great. Nice threads. Couple bolts, looks like. Maybe spare bolts or something. But yes, when you're recording amps or anything, you should always have a pop filter in front of them. I won't be doing that on my desk. I just don't have the room, and I don't really care. It's going on Twitch. But for my iPhone that I'm recording it, I actually got a little Lightning connector condenser mic when I do these videos. That's really cool. Oops, sorry guys, but and this is the USB cable, which plugs in right there. This has some weight to it. I'm very curious to see how it's gonna sound. And maybe we'll do a test and I'll drag out a cabinet, grab my guitar and we'll do a test and see how well you can just record with just this thing. Alright guys, subscribe, like, comment below, and tell me if you guys have bought any of the Blue products, or any of you musicians out there that have dealt with them, sang into some of the microphones. And we'll catch you next time.